Good afternoon from the cockpit of the Swamp Duck. It's a Saturday afternoon of the bank holiday weekend at the beginning of May. It's gloriously sunny outside, but unfortunately there is quite a cold wind, and quite a strong wind too. I did expect that the marina would be very busy today, but in actual fact it's the opposite, it's very quiet. So I've come over to do a few little jobs in preparation for taking the Swamp Duck out over a 5 to 6 day period. We're going to go up the Trenton Mersey Canal, and we're heading up to Fradley Junction, and then we're probably going to turn down the Coventry Canal and go a little way down there before making a return journey. This will test our resources out and give us some idea of what a longer period spent on the boat would be like. One of the issues that I identified was probably that of personal hygiene. Whilst we have quite adequate washing facilities on the boat, there is no shower, and if we're moored at a place where there are no facilities, then it would be useful to be able to at least have a quick shower just to freshen up. So I've come up with something to take care of that, albeit not fantastic, but it'll do the job. So it basically consists of a hula hoop, which cost me all of $1.99, which acts as a shower rail, and then a $3.99 shower curtain, and then I bought a small shower spray unit, which basically you put one end in a bucket of warm water, turn the switch, and the water comes out the other end. It all goes into a floppy bucket, one of those things that you can pick up in Aldi for about $3.99. So I reckon the whole shower unit cost me about £20 altogether, and hopefully that will just do the job. Right, so for the shower unit, I have now sewn up my shower curtain. I've had to shorten it slightly because it's too long, and now I'm going to attach it to my hula hoop, which say cost all of £1.99, and let's see. Right, so I have now installed my shower cubicle, and hopefully this will do the trick. Not a massive amount of room, but I'm sure it'll help to keep me clean. Just waiting for the shower unit to arrive from Amazon this week, and that's as far as we go, folks. One of the other improvements that I've done recently is to install a new cassette toilet. The original one, which came with the boat, didn't have a very good flush to it at all, so decided to invest in a new one which has got quite a good flushing mechanism on it. But the only problem with it, I found, is that it's a little bit shorter than the previous one, so I needed to solve that problem. So in order to do that, I have built a small plinth, which I'm about to install to see if that makes a bit of difference. Right, so if I see if this fits, hopefully. It's almost perfect. Yeah, that's a much better fit. that's a much better fit and much more comfortable. Hopefully, don't want to spend too long in here, but that seems to do the trick. Thank you. There's just one other addition to the swamp duck to mention, and that's a new member of crew. A new member of crew in training, that is. This is Sandy. Sandy is a rescued dog from Sarajevo who joined us about 7 weeks ago, and it's taken that length of time to get him to even climb into the car, let alone climb aboard the swamp duck. So it'll be interesting to see what happens over the next few weeks, and I'll keep you informed. Thanks for watching.